Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today topic of discussion is nature of enzymes, classification of enzyme and nomenclature of enzyme. First of all, we will discuss about the definition of enzymes. The definition may be the enzymes are biocatalysts synthesized by living cells. They are protein in nature, colloidal and thermolabile in character and specific in their action. Thermolabile means they are affected by heat. Then there is chemical nature. Because all enzymes are made up of protein, they show nature like proteins. All enzymes are proteins except ribozymes. Ribozymes are RNA molecule which catalyze some reactions, act as enzymes. Each enzyme has its own tertiary structure or conformation for its proper functioning. Monomeric enzyme, because enzymes are made up of protein and protein are made up of polypeptide chains. If an enzyme consists of single polypeptide chain, it is called monomeric enzyme, for example trypsin. If an enzyme consists of more than one polypeptide, then it is called oligomeric enzyme, for example lactate dehydrogenase. Further, there is classification or nomenclature. System of giving name is called nomenclature. In start, there was no system of giving name to enzyme. There was no scientific reason to give name to enzyme. For example, trypsin doesn't indicate any information about the enzyme activity or substrate on which enzyme acts. Second, there was a system for classification and enzyme, for naming enzyme, which was based on substrate name and suffix ASE was used. Each enzyme was named after its substrate. For example, the enzyme which acts on lipid called lipase, ASE suffix was added after substrate name. Then there was a system of naming enzyme which was based on type of reaction which enzyme catalyze. For example, isomerase for isomerization. Because there is reaction of isomerization, the enzyme is called isomerase. The latest system for the naming of enzyme is International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. According to IUB, the name of enzyme is based on substrate and type of reaction catalyzed by enzyme. There is another approach of IUB which is called EC number, enzyme commission number. According to this system, each enzyme is given with a code, numeric code, which hides a data in it. There is digit separated by full stop. Same digit is used for subclass and next subclass and individual enzyme. Here example is alcohol dehydrogenase. For alcohol dehydrogenase, the enzyme commission number will be 1111 because 1 is first class by IUB. Oxidoreductase, it belongs to oxidoreductase. Next, there are classes of enzymes. There are 7 classes of enzymes on the base of reaction. First is oxidoreductase. All the enzyme which catalyzes the oxidation reduction reaction would be included in oxidoreductases. Then transferase. Transferase are those enzymes which transfer functional group from one molecule to another. Hydrolase are those enzymes which break down a molecule into simple form by using water molecule. Then liases are those enzymes which break down the complex molecule without using water molecule. Number 5 is isomerase. Isomerases are those enzymes which catalyze the reaction of isomerization. Ligases are those enzymes which combine two molecules, which joins two molecules with each other. Translocases are those enzymes which transport ions or molecules across a membrane. For example, ATPase. Thank you.